morning and good afternoon, my partner. Supposedly, we have to have the summit face by face this year, but unfortunately, the COVID-19 impacts us. So first of all, I would like to emphasize the COVID-19 a lot. COVID-19 continue to affect the people all over the world. So we would like to thank everyone who contribute to it, especially for the medical stuff. And let us to pray for the matter and hope it can be stopped smoothly. With this COVID-19 pandemic impact, so we are doing the transformation by this era in the IoT era. But we need to think about if we are able to continue our business, and we also need to think about how we can change ourselves and to do some of the organization change or business engagement. And I would like to take this opportunity to share with you about the strategy from the next wave of the intelligent factory. There are the main drivers impact a lot in our the business transformation. The first, the driver is the technology. Now, most of the people understand about the technology in terms of the IoT, AI, and 5G. All of the technology will impact us and will make us to be the simple and plug and play, and all the technology combined together will be easy to configure and to make sure that all of the connectivity can be real time. So inside of the IoT, and there are some of the technology major in the automation area. For instance, like IO-Link, SPE, and also TSN. In the AI, the people want to create the cloud platform to make the AI solution in the training or inference area. So we have to understand what kind of the technology under the AI. For instance, like digital twin and some of the Kubernetes technology. 5G is the trend for us. So we have to take this opportunity to understand about the new technology in wireless connectivity, such as the Wi-Fi 6 and also mesh Wi-Fi. So to all of the technology combined together, we have to think about how we can do some integration and how we can do the future implementation. That's the first driver for us. The second driver is the paradigm shift. When you look at the paradigm shift from original automation paradigm, transforming into the cloud-based with an edge intelligence. The first layer will be the edge intelligence area. So all of the edge can be leveraged, all of the technology together, and try to combine all of the technology into integrated solution in the edge side. All of the edge can be put software inside the edge and connecting the cloud by the edge intelligence methodology. That's the first in the edge side. The second, in the data and communication area, you can see a lot of the people using the different protocol in the different way. You can see that all of the protocol is over some of the new technology to do some integration for the data format integration. That's the second layer. So we have to understand in the future, so we probably need to understand how we can do using such kind of the technology for the data format and make it as the standardization in the data layer. Third one, in the cloud-based services. I think all of the people understand about the software defined. So there's so many kind of the cloud-based services in the future. So how we adopt such kind of the cloud services into the factory, that's the most important, the key strategy. All of the technology and transformation is doing very fast. So we're facing such kind of the technology, how we change and how we can work together to make it as the simple solution in the future. So at Advantech, and we'd like to share some of the perspectives for you. The first, in the edge side, the paradigm shift trigger the first point in the edge side, in the edge intelligence and the smart sensing devices. You see, such kind of the people using the computing, communication, and the control, I/O, all of 3C integrate together, make it as the simple solution. I'd like to take the example for you from Advantech's strategy. The first, when you look at your factory machine solution, the people doing the solution through the I/O, digital I/O, analog I/O, and also some of the elegant value to detect the video and some of the digital I/O and analog I/O, the data, put the minor operation in the computer side. The people using the I/O and put the MCU or the CPU as the solution, make it as the data collection over. The second part, through the edge intelligence. Edge intelligence is not only the edge intelligence, because we need to put the edge intelligence plus the I/O. You can put the I/O inside of the edge intelligence with the more highly performance computing. So not only the I/O, but also you can put the SoC and FPGA in the edge side to make it as the AI solution. The third part in the factory IT area. The factory IT area, the gateway could be put some of the software technology like container-wise, container or Docker-based the edge solution. So we need to easy to maintain and easy to put the microservices on the edge intelligence. Not only in the edge intelligence, but also the software analytics can be done into the AI system in the factory IT area. Of course, in the final, we still need to focus on our process visualization. So the process visualization, you can see across the different partners, that would be the most important things to integrate our the CPU, highly performance, the panel display with the I/O button, which is suitable in some of the food and beverage area. That's the first transformation. The second perspective in the cloud services platform. No matter what kind of the edge intelligence, I think in the future you could see some of the cloud services platform can be divided into three types of the service platform. The first one we call the edge as the service. The second one we call the machine as the service. The third one will be the factory as the service. What that means? Because when you get all the edge intelligence in your edge side as the total solution, so you have to you need to create some of the services in your cloud. The cloud can be done for all of the edge to do some services like visibility in the edge side and remote monitoring and control, and also remote to understand what kind of the diagnosis result from your edge side. That's kind of the service in the edge. So you need to provide the cloud provider. They need to provide some of such kind of the services in the pure edge intelligence area. The second part, the people manage the machine. We need to understand about the machine performance, and we need to understand about the machine preventive maintenance, and also we need to understand how we can predict about the failure in the future. So that's most important. The people create the cloud services for the machine as the services. The typical way, and most of the popular customer and player, they are creating their own cloud platform in this area. The third one will be the factory as the service. People using such kind of the cloud services to manage their production efficiency, because we need to integrate some of the ERP and MES in the production line. So efficiency, quality management, that's getting more important in this area. I think Advantech is in the right position to create and provide the edge as the service and also the machine as the service this is the most the position for Advantech to have the edge intelligent area and also edge and the machine cloud. Third one, and I like to redefine the AIoT ecosystem for you by the service value. When you look at the factory people, they create their own team inside of their the factory side. They call in-house automation team. What do they contact from the ecosystem? They want to contact and the DFSI, they want to contact the variable, the DFMB, and also they want to contact and to buy some of the solution through the website. So I like to put some of the perspective in the service value, 50% for the DFSI and 30% for the DFMB. They are create some of the data and manage the data in the machine side. But the in-house, the automation team, they also can purchase their pack the solution through the e-commerce. So that means the category house or e-store will transforming into the e-commerce. And the second, the marketplace app, it's become more popular, not only in the consumer area, but also in the industry. So look at the partner. You have to transfer yourself. I take the example, for instance, if you are the machine builder, so you can transfer into the mass area. We call the machine as the service. If you are the system integrator, you need to find an add-on value capability for the ISV software to programming become the DFSI. So that's the most valuable service value in the future. So I encourage the people can understand your own position and you can plus additional capability to go to adopt this new the AIoT ecosystem. Advantech offer the co-creation business model to support all of our partners and can work together to make the solution in the future. So think about this. The future is about the blueprint, which is not the success by the single player, but the partner. So when you look at the edge side, so Advantech provide the hardware and also provide the edge intelligence software to make the easier plug-and-play solution. And we are finding the partner, they can put the machine intelligence as the domain-focused app in the edge side. That's the first layer. So we are driving by cross-technology and also the partners. That's the first. The second, we create the wise path in the middleware. So that means we are not only focused on the platform, but also we can cross the cloud platform. So edge intelligence, we have to make the data more connected into the different type of the cloud platform. That's the technology bring us to there. The third one, we need to find out some of the app developer, not only in the machine side, but also in the factory side. So the app developer, they are doing the under the new technology to develop the microservices, of course, in the domain side. So they create the value on top of the cloud platform, no matter which cloud platform. So Advantech also encourage the people to do the app and developer and to make the machine as the service, the cloud services platform. Third one, DFSI, more efficiency, more production, more quality to link with the ERP side. We do believe we need the DFSI. We need the people, they are able to develop, they are able to do the software and integration by themselves. That's the key. So we want to build up the partnership, the ecosystem, and also provide the innovative the product and services. That's our job, and that's the Advantech's mission. In the end, I hope you can enjoy my sharing today, and I would believe that we can work together in the future. And also, not the iFactory track, it's not only for this speech I bring for you, but also we prepare and invite a lot of the VIP from software perspective to introduce some of the new technology in the Docker base with the Kubernetes to manage the edge between the cloud and edge. And also, we invite our internal or external expert to share with you how we can make it and how we can do that in the following sessions. So that's the old stuff that we have, and I hope you can enjoy your life and also enjoy everything that we have in the iFactory track. Thank you.